Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less than 4 updates about Kakinu coin, its price prediction mega bullion, biggest trends right now. Again, meme coins days are big here. BTC is also above $100,000. Ethereum is looking good, and mostly meme coin did 5 to 10x in past couple of days. So right now again we have massive high for meme coins, just like Binance recently list a meme coin named Moondang. So maybe there are some possibilities we can see many other meme coin listing on Binance soon. Okay, one of them that is the best meme coin is Kakinu coin. Look friends, see current price different 5 times $1 pump by almost 8%, and this is first ever meme coin in AVAX ecosystem. Here you can see friends, almost 72% pump in last 7 days, 68% pump in last 3 days. Right now performance is amazing, but friends you can see it's still smart cap is 70 million only. Okay, so from 70 million, if this coin can hit $7 billion market cap, that will be exactly 100x from here. Yeah, and that's possible. Okay, that's really possible. I will show you its reason later. You can see, friends, AVAX ecosystem coin, because in crypto market we have many meme coin in Solana ecosystem, Ethereum, BNB ecosystem, BAS ecosystem, but we have only few meme coins in AVAX ecosystem, and this was the first ever meme coin in AVAX ecosystem. You can see, friends, made in USA project, so this is good. Only 84% down than its all-time high they were 1 year ago, and 1100% up than its all-time low there was 23, okay, 2003. So performance from this coin is good. It's still not on Binance Coinbase yet. You can see, friends, MEXC has listed this coin, KuCoin has listed this coin, XT.com, Bybit has listed this coin, CoinEx has listed this coin. So already huge cent likes in listing for this coin, but Binance Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken is still no list this coin, but you can buy right now from CoinEx and KuCoin exchange. Both Central exchanges links are already given in description. You can sign up on both Central exchanges. KYC simple. After that, you can trade easily on both Central exchanges. You can see, friends, further details here on SnowTrends. Just like we have Solana scan, we have BNB scan, we have Ether scan, and for AVAX ecosystem we have SnowTrends, and 101,000 holders for this golden coin. So this is really good. Number of holders amazing. These are the top holders of this coin. You can see, friends, Banky Avalanche holding 13.6% of supply, Crypto.com, that is centralized exchange, holding 6% of supply, Volt Wallet 14 holding 4 and 4% of supply, and another Crypto.com exchange account holding 2.2% of supply. Some other wallets, okay, and Traders Joe, that is the AVAX DAX, okay, holding 0.5% supply, and these are the top 50 wallets they are holding this coin. So friends, no doubt coin is good. There's no any value issue looking here. You can check out all further details here on their website. Also, life is better when you have some Kakino, and you can check out all further details. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. So already some good central exchanges. You can see, friends, Bybit, Crypto.com, KuCoin, already used central exchange listing for this coin, but it's still not on Binance Coinbase. But friends, maybe it's possible because $70 million market cap right now for Kakinu coin, and AVAX ecosystem's largest meme coin. Trading volume and market cap is good, so it means that maybe in coming few months we can see Kakinu on Binance also. And how you can buy this coin on DEX is you can have some AVAX in your wallet. After that, you can swap and Traders Joe and many other DEXs that are working on AVAX chain. You can see, friends, 69.4 trillion coin supply, no allocation, no pre-sale, no tax, and this is good. You can copy its official contract address here, okay, on the official website. So this is good. Community driven meme coin on AVAX chain. So friends, I think my price prediction for Kakino is that as this current market cap is $70 million, and trading volume in last 24 hours was $8.1 million. So trading volume is also good, but it's still lots of central exchange listing left for Kakino coin. It means that if in future we see this meme coin on Binance, Coinbase, Gemini, Crypto, Kraken, many other remaining tier 1 central exchanges, then definitely, friends, this meme coin can make massive boom here. Okay, I think few days ago this coin was trading here with 6 0 0.6 times 0 and $5. Right now it's almost 2x from here. but right now you can see already performance is good, but it's still lots of cent and listing left for Kaknu coin. It means that coin has still potential to do something amazing. And because Avex Chain has also launched this meme coin, and Avex Chain is also support this meme coin, so it means that in this year mega bullion, definitely Kaknu coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap coin. And my price prediction, as I already told you, that maybe we can see smart cap up to $7 to $10 billion here. It's really possible that we can see Kaknu from just 70 million up to $7 to $10 billion here in this year's super cycle mega bull run. And friend, if you still not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel where I provide you all my video information here and many other offers for KuCoin and CoinEx exchange also. So you can join my Telegram channel, link in description. You have just click the link and you can join my Telegram channel.